Feeling down, feeling hard, feeling tough when the going is just going hard on you? Here is an inspirational quote from YouTuber Maningkamot Ta, and it's called Padayon Lang. Alright? Oo, lisod ang kinabuhi, pero padayon lang. Oo, daghan ka og problema, pero padayon lang. Oo, kapoy na kaayo, pero padayon lang. Kay tanan nimo paningkamot, mubalik ra sa imo. Tanan nimo og problema, masulbad nimo. Tanan nimo kakapoy, mawala ra. Ug tanan nimo gusto, moobot sa imo. Busa ayaw, kabalaka, padayon lang. It's a really short, inspirational kind of video that I got from this YouTuber, Maningkamota. And it's, I don't know, he has this YouTuber just has all these like quotes and inspirations that are in Cebuano, and I wanted to share some of them with you. Of course, I fixed some of the grammar errors, but there is one thing I wanted to talk about that's grammatical. I'm not going to translate this, but I do want to talk about the grammar stuff because again, I'm moving towards the notion that you will kind of already get the gist of things now. So, where was it? Here. So remember that ma with the verb sulbad, ma takes that nemo because ma is the abilitative in the object focus. Yeah, so it's the abilitative and the object focus. So remember that it takes nemo. And I think that was it that I just wanted to say. But yeah, padayon lang, guys. Padayon lang, padayon lang. And for those of you who don't know it, it just means just continue, man. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going. Padayon lang. Keep continuing. Okay?